Give me that. Give me some dap, boy. I love you, dog. My nigga, Biddy. So what's up to the camera?
What's up, y'all?
Yeah.
This is his new camera. Don't fuck it up either.
Damn. I got baby coming on the way.
Good job, baby.
Got a baby.
I ain't getting shit.
Man, you better go to the baby shower, nigga. What's wrong with you?
Is it a girl or a boy?
It's a boy.
It's a boy?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Gabe.
What, Gabe? No.
It's my baby, nigga. What's up, my nigga? What's up, Cammy? What's up, man? Damn, the bro in here.
I mean, I would get you something.
Damn. That nigga Lovebird over there. He's on the phone with his wifey. That's what I need. A wifey. Somebody that got a good heart, doesn't play goddamn games. You know. Is somebody at the door? What is Kamrachi? Kamkachi. Kamkachi. They can film me. On my damn camera. I do this. Come with the movement. Look at me, catfish. No! Negro! What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh, I like that shirt. Let me get that. Bring your sweet ass.
They're like different colored cassette tapes.
That shit fresh. Better rob your ass. Talking to his baby girl, his baby cakes. Sweetie pie, huh? It's like a couple minutes ago, like, well, damn, baby, you treacherous. Some of your ass. Damn.
Fuck, man.
The Benny Monatos. See that big ass nigga. Stab me side. Move, nigga.